Well, I'm blown away anyway. It's nice for me to run these webinars because I'm just completely blasted by the end. Next week we will be moving on to the last webinar, working with the energies of the arms and legs. It's much more subtle. We work with 6 different energy systems and their different energy points. We've been working with the energy points, the arms, legs, hands and feet. And next week we're finishing that. We'll be working with the energy points for the kidneys, the adrenals, bladder, urethra, vagina and penis. Also the cerebrum, the cerebellum and the arms and legs. That's 2 separate energy circuits. That's the last one of that series. That has been an absolutely mind-blowing webinar series. I mean, just stunning. I just had no idea how that was going to go, and it just turned out each one is a complete and utter surprise to me. You can still join that. You can just do the last one as a separate one, but I would highly recommend getting the whole series and the recordings of the previous 3